Good day, guys. Have you ever encountered printers like this HP Laserjet M15a like this printer? It has no power. The most common problem is its small board. Before you open printers, always keep the power unplugged for your safety. This printer is easy to disassemble. First remove the power cable, then remove the toner, then remove the screws that you see on the top, and there are also screws on the bottom. Remove them as well. Then just use a flat screw to grip the covers. Then that's the small board that I'm talking about, that often gets damaged. Then there's that small fuse resistor that gets removed, because maybe their soldering is weak, so that's why it happens that it gets removed by itself. Now in this printer, I didn't see those small parts on the back of that board. It looks like someone opened the printer because it was a different technician. So I didn't see the fuse resistor in other videos that I watched like that. They see it and put it back on the board. Mine is because I don't have a replacement board available. What I did was put a jumper where the fuse resistor is located, and it worked. Just try it, guys. If you don't have parts, just replace the jumper and it will work. Hey guys, it worked. Thanks for watching.